Welcome to Liagle Tapeless Drywall Finishing. We have been in the drywall finishing business for 20 years. In this video, I'm going to show you how we train our new employees to be professional. So it's a step-by-step instructions about drywall finishing. Okay, first step, fill the nail holes. This is the mud we use. It's the workers' drywall compound. So for filling the nail holes, we just take the mud directly from the box. We don't mix it, we don't add water, so just use a 6-inch knife and a mud pan. So take some mud out of the box directly. And you play with the mud first. So it's a little stiff. Just loose it up. So for the beginners, first I want you to practice about how you handle the mud. So just doing something like this. So you play the mud with your knife. The first instruction for drywall finishing, you always keep your knife clean by doing this. Take some mud, put it back, and clean your knife. So, okay, why we take the mud directly from the box and we don't mix it, we don't add any water, for two reasons. Because we want you to have some idea about the consistency of the mud. Second reason is because we don't add any water in the mud, so when you use the mud to fill up the nail holes, it shrinks less. Okay, so first step, we play the mud like this. And always keep your knife clean. Okay. Now, for loading the mud to your knife, you can do it like this, and then you do this, and make the mud on your knife like this, and then you go on the walls. Okay, for doing the nail holes, first you get the mud from the mud pan like this, and then you do this. Make the mud on the knife like this, and with this one nail hole, you go this way, and then you go this way. You make sure your knife is fully attached to the wall, and then you take off all the excess mud. Do this and clean your knife on the back. It's clean, it's like this, and on this hole, do it like this. And always keep this clean, like this. So get the mud, go like this, and then this way. Take the mud, this way, this way. For those damaged holes like this, we use the handle of the knife to do something like this to fix it before we put mud on it. When the first coat is dried, we do the second coat. And when we do the second coat of filling up the nail holes, I want you to do something like this. First, you load your knife with mud, like this, and then you go on the wall, this way. I want you to do it like this. Load the mud and go like this. Load the mud, go like this, and then wipe it out. Load the mud and go like this. Load the mud, and I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 to 4, even 5 nail holes like this. Load the mud on the wall, go like this, go like this. And you always make sure take the excess mud off the wall.